Hi, I'm Joe Glassford, Sunriver, Oregon, woodturner. Now today I'm here to celebrate. I'm here to celebrate my high school woodshop teacher, Mr. Paul Church. I'm indebted to that man. He taught me wood turning over 60 years ago, and he inspired in me an interest that has lasted a lifetime. Thank you, Mr. Church. Now to celebrate, I'm going to be turning my signature segmented octagon bowl out of a beautiful wood known as bocote. Now this bowl conserves natural resources. That's why I use it. With this bowl design, there's nothing in the center, and if you turn solid wood, all of that ends up on the floor as scrap. I am really concerned about the world losing exotic hardwoods. So this is my contribution to conserving those hardwoods, one bowl at a time. Now bocote is not the most expensive wood in the world, but it is the most expensive wood I've ever turned in a lifetime. And hey, what better way to celebrate than a tuxedo? Let's get started. Well, that's the turning part of it. I'm happy with the design. Now we got to sand it. I won't bore you with that. Now that finishes up the sanding on this one. We're going to take it off the lathe now, turn it around, put it on a cold jaw chuck, and then turn the bottom off of it. Well, that's how it's made. The signature segmented octagon bowl. That's a pretty bowl. It doesn't have a finish on it yet. We'll put a finish on it and show you what that looks like too. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thanks again. Joe Glassford, the Tuxedo Turner from Sunriver, Oregon. And if you're interested in that double 90 tool rest I use, it's available on my website, jbwoodturn.com.